welcome or welcome back to my channel. I just got out of bed. Well, I'm still actually in bed. I'm tired. But it's kind of a busy day today, so I need to get up and get the day started. So I'm going to force myself out of bed. And you guys are going to come with me. Okay, so I'm finally ready. I'm wearing one of my favorite designs today. It's so pretty. Yeah, I just pretty chilled today because I have a very busy day, but I just want to keep it chill and cozy since I'll be doing a lot. But yeah, I guess I should show you my to-do list so you guys can see what all I have to do. Okay, so here's my to-do list. Of course, I decorated it with stickers because that just makes me happy. I have wake up early-ish, which I kind of woke up late. Get ready, breakfast, vlog all day, package in order, and ship it out today. After babysit, which I am doing right now. I keep going back and forth. Then I have to log on to classes. Today is the start of second semester. I need to do my laundry, then work on embroidery, and I just have some reminders right here. Drink water, take iron pill, and contact my school. Yeah, I have to contact my school because there's something wrong with my financial aid right now. I am on financial aid, but yeah, they did give me financial aid, but they didn't give me enough, so I need to contact the school to see what we can do because I really don't want to have to come out of pocket to pay for the classes. So yeah, I need to contact them today. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is package the order so I can get it shipped out today. Okay, so this person ordered the black I'm flunging over it sweatshirt. And I just make sure I lint roll it before because I have a cat and yeah, her hair can be everywhere. So I'll make sure that I lint roll it. Okay, then I also give a free tote with every order. Okay, and I keep all of my business stuff on my cart. So I have my thank you cards right here, and I'm going to write them a little personalized note from me. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when that's done. Okay, so I left them a little note. I'm going to place it right here. Then I have this pink and white twine, and I'm going to try to wrap it around it, make it all cute. Okay, I tried to make it cute. I hope it's somewhat cute. Then I feel like it wouldn't be me if I didn't have pink packaging. So, of course, my packaging is pink. And then I have these thank you stickers that I just put on the outside. Shipping label on, so it's done. Tyrese, you can expect a pink package from me in the mail in a couple of days. But okay, now we can get on with the rest of our day. Okay, I just finished breakfast, but now for the part that I've been dreading. I'm gonna log into my classes, see what's up. Since it's the first day, I don't think it's gonna be like too much, but we shall see. Okay, just completed my syllabus quiz. I need to see like if I have to do anything else for this class today, but I think that's pretty much it. The first days are really not that much to do. And I just realized that last time you seen me, I was 19. I'm 20 years old now. wow, such a huge difference. No longer a teen. But yeah, I'm gonna insert my birthday pictures because my sister did her thing and I wore my birthday hair. It was looking bomb. So I'm just gonna show you guys the pictures, and I'm also gonna insert some clips of like my birthday celebration. It was just a dinner, nothing too fancy, nothing too out there, especially with these times. I didn't want to do anything too spectacular. Okay, hey, my bed, ignore it. Okay, but I'm about to do a little get ready with me. I'm not wearing my birthday hair today because she wasn't acting right, so I'm rocking slick back, a low ponytail. Also, I don't have like a vanity or anything, so I'm doing this on my floor. So yeah, sorry if the angle is going to be weird. I literally do the most simple makeup. This is going to be really quick because I literally don't do much. Okay, now it's time for the eyeliner, which I'm probably going to do off camera because it's kind of hard to do on camera. Okay, this side is looking good, but this side, horrible. Okay, eyeliner is okay, but we're going to put on lashes, so it doesn't matter that much. Okay, the lashes just... I love these lashes. They bring the whole look together. Then I'm going to do a brown lip liner and this brown Fenty gloss. And I love the brown lip liner look. But I'm going to add the gloss after I get dressed so I don't mess up the lips. Okay, I added some like pink liner so it could be like a brownish pink lip look. But okay, I have no idea what I'm wearing, so let me pick that out. Okay, so I think I'm going to wear this sweater and this skirt. And yes, I'm prepared to freeze. But let's try it on first. Okay, here's the outfit. I actually really like it. Don't mind my room, it's a mess. But I'm wearing my biker boots from Pretty Little Thing. I feel like Bratz doll vibes again. I'm definitely prepared to be cold. I already know. I'm not ready for it, but I'm prepared. Okay, the look is finished. I wish my wig was acting right today, but the slick ponytail, still cute. I might part it on the side. Okay, yeah, I switched it to a side part because, I don't know, I like side parts more. But okay, we can see what else is on my to-do list and then get back to seeing if I need to do anything else for the class. Okay, so it's been like an hour because I had to let my camera battery charge. I really need to get an extra battery. I don't know why I don't have one at this point. But anyways, we're going to get into planning because I did make a planning sheet for my bullet journal. So we're going to fill the rest of that out for this week. I already did Monday, but I just need to fill the rest out. Okay, so here is the finished product of how we are looking for this week. Okay, but I'm gonna light this candle that I got for Christmas. I got this scent, You're the One, in the perfume and the lotion. So I've just been obsessed with this scent lately. So I'm gonna light it. But okay, I'm going to continue going over the syllabus and I will get back to you guys later. Okay, so I'm done with school and classwork for today. But guys, I finally got some new AirPods because I think I told you guys, but I had lost one of my AirPods and I thought that there was a way to just buy one by itself, but I don't know. I just got a new pair. I've been with one AirPod for like 1.5 months, so I'm very happy that I have a new pair. In this case is my sister's, but it's so cute. But anyways, we're actually almost done with our to-do list. I just have to do laundry and then work on embroidery. And I made a new design yesterday and I think it's just so cute. So I think I'm gonna do that day and put it on a sweatshirt. And then this is like one of my favorite designs. Like, it's just so pretty. But anyways, we're gonna get into doing our laundry and then I think I'm gonna have some lunch because I'm hungry. So yeah, let's do what it do. Okay, this is the ramen that I'm having. The spicy kimchi flavor is just amazing. I get this kind. It's always bomb. Love it so much.
Baby, I turn stuff. You see my legs.
Can you guys guess what color my chopsticks are? You guessed it.
If you're looking for a pen board, and they don't have in the back, and then this is from.
So good. Okay, it's like some hours later. I took my lashes off, as you can see. But yeah, I've been watching Orange is the New Black, and I watched it some years ago, but I stopped because I ran out of seasons. But now I'm rewatching it, and it's just so good. I couldn't stop. But yeah, now that I stopped, I think I'm ready to start on my embroidery. I'm going to show you the design. Okay, so here it is. I just practiced on this little tote bag. I actually cut it up so that I can do like multiple practice runs on here. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to do this color. My sister said she thinks it'll look good in purple, so I think I'm going to do that. I also think that I'm going to do a TikTok while I do it because I like do all of my embroidery sweatshirts that I do like a TikTok on them. So if you like that type of content, be sure to follow me on the TikTok. Okay, so I decided to do it on this like ash gray color. So now I have to hoop it and then put the stabilizer under it. Okay, so I think I'm going to do purple. I'm going to do this one and this one. I think they look good together. Okay, we are now about to start. Okay, it says it should take 22 minutes. Penny came to just watch me. Okay, here is the finished look. I actually really love it and think it's so cute. Know yourself, know your worth, period. I think the purple looked really good, but I do give people the option of like changing the color just because I want them to be happy with it, and it's like not that big of a deal to like change the color. So yeah, I like to give people the option. I also think I'm probably going to do like custom designs. Like a couple of people have already asked me about that, and I think I'll be down to do customs. So yeah. Guys, look at all these scratches that came from my cat. If you're thinking about getting a cat, don't get a cat. Just kidding. I love her so much regardless of all the scratches she makes on my bed and also on my skin. But I forgot to update you guys about the package. I did catch the mail lady and she took it. So happy about it. I was literally breaking my neck looking out the window. But I have these like buffalo shrimp in the freezer and they sound very appetizing right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. I hope they're good. I think I remember them being good. They're sizzling. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool off and then we're gonna get to it. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video off here because my night really is just the same every night. I'm just gonna eat, shower, do my skincare, then hop into bed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have started your second semester yet and how it's going so far. And I wish you guys luck on your second semester. I know school, especially online, is not the best. So I wish you guys luck and wish me luck too because, honey, I'm kind of over it. But okay, this video is nice. Comment shout out will go to Valeria Crystal. Hi my love, thank you so much for all your nice words. It truly warms my heart seeing these nice comments. I love you guys so much and I hope you're having a great day or night or afternoon whenever you're seeing this. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you all so much. You guys mean the world to me. Okay, are you guys okay? But anyways, I found the emoji I want you guys to leave a noodles emoji down below in the comments if you've made it up to this point, just because I like to watch my videos all the way through and it's kind of like an inside joke, so leave that down below. But okay, I'm gonna go now. I still gotta get ready for bed, so goodbye. Love you guys so much, so much.